Greetings everyone, and welcome to my video on how to calculate the sample size in a simplified manner for recruiting subjects in your study. Calculating the number of patients required to perform a satisfactory investigation is important because an incorrect sample size will more often than not lead to your research being invalid. The following explanation will perhaps give an insight into why calculating the sample size is important. Type 1 error is when the benefit from the intervention is perceived when in reality there is no benefit. And type 2 error is when the benefit from the intervention is missed when in reality the benefit was present. Calculating the number of patients required in the study can overcome this bias. In order to calculate the sample size, the power is arbitrarily set at 80% and the significance level is set at 5%. Setting a power of 80% means that whenever a difference exists between two groups in reality, there is an 80% chance that our investigation will detect it. I have made a separate video for statistical significance, the significance level, the alpha and p values, and why it is set at 5%, so you can refer to that if you wish. Now, to practically apply this, we will consider a study where we want to compare the event rate reduction in a new magic treatment X versus regular dressings. We already have a prior knowledge that regular dressings limit event rates to 30%, and we expect that the magic treatment X will further reduce event rates to only 10%. In such a case, we can calculate the sample size for our investigation as follows. So this formula can be used, and as the variables are labeled V and W, can just plug in those variables right here into this formula, and after plugging we will get the result as 60. So the sample size to be recruited in each group would be 60 patients. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.